sunshines, welcome to James Creative Life. In today's video, I'll be showing you my patio makeover that we did. My husband built me a new patio and I am in love with it. So right now I'm just showing you guys the before clips. I once had a canopy that I ordered from Amazon and this is how I had it styled. It was real pretty, real cute at first. I don't have the before picture of the canopy. I have the part where it's ruined, but I don't have the good part. But anyways, I'll pull it up from Amazon so you can see how it once looked. So again, this is how it was looking. And then I'm gonna show you how it looks now. So before I get into that, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you do not miss any future videos. All right, you guys, so this is the picture that I pulled from Amazon, how the canopy once looked, and this is how it looks now. So that had to go. So what I did was I went on Pinterest, looked up some ideas so I could have some sort of inspiration, and then I went to my husband with it. But before all of that took place, before this, my husband had did our fence. He built our fence. I just wanted to show you guys that how handy this man is. So him and the boys built our fence, and then he got started on the patio. So when he got started on the patio, he was showing me, am I okay with it? Do I like it? I mean, right off the bat, I was in love. I didn't have no issue with it. I just couldn't wait to see the progress. Then I ordered a fan, and then he was not expecting to put up a fan and a light. But anyways, he did his thing. Now this is me checking it out. And I loved it. I was so excited because now I have a fan outside. I have some lights outside. And if I plan on hanging these little string light things, I could still do that. But right now I was just excited about my fan. And then guess what? You guys, after testing it out, loving it, being excited, the very next day there was a storm, like a raining storm. And then we realized some areas was leaking. So we're not mad about the storm because we happy that the rain happened. This way he can see where it leaked at. However, everything was fixed and I'm happy we back on track. So now what you're getting ready to see is how it is once everything was fixed. So I decided to pull everything out so I could clean it and get it repainted. Anything that I have in this video, if I could find it to link it, I'll link it down below in the description. So check it out. Like for instance, the rug came from Amazon. These chairs came from Home Depot. These end tables came from Home Depot. They was once burnt orange, but I painted white. So you guys, this is the first reveal. This is how it looked after everything was done, after it was painted, after I cleaned it up and styled it. So this was the first styling that I did. I pretty much used everything that I had. I just cleaned it up. But then now I'm going to show you guys the second styling that I did, where I went and purchased a little bit of stuff here and there just to give it a little bit more coziness. And I fell in love all over again. Okay, when I say this space is very, very cozy, very, very nice. I had a night clip, but that clip is gone with the wind. I don't have it, but if I can add it, I'll add it. So I added the little throw blanket. I added some pillows. What else did I add? I had a few little things. Let me know if you can notice some of the things that's different from the previous clip. But yeah, so this is how the patio look, you guys. What do you think? When I say my family and I love this space, it's an understatement. We love this space. But I want to take a minute out to shout out my husband, because this man is a jack of all trade. Okay, he could do anything and everything. He is not a professional in those categories. However, any challenge you put in front of him, he's gonna meet it, okay? And he did his thing. And I don't want to take the credits away from my kids also, because it was a big help in this makeover. So we have a very talented family, and when we get together, we make stuff happen. Do not judge us. I know there's some stuff that might not be perfect, but it's perfect enough for us. So right now the space is so nice. We enjoy it all the time. Sometimes I sit out there for a long period of time working. Nothing is gonna stop me from enjoying this patio. Okay, I am ready for spring. I am ready for some lemonade. I am ready for some barbecue coming up later on in the summer. I am ready and my space is ready. So if you like this video, if you like this makeover, number one, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, subscribe. If you're not following me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram, Miss Deals Finder. I show behind the scenes clip before you even make it on YouTube. And definitely hit this like button, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Bye-bye.